Hi guys, my name is Michael. In this video, I want to tell you about WhatsApp search. So right here, you click the magnifying glass and you see this icon. You can use it to search for a specific item, photo, video, links, document, audio, or gift. Let me show you how it works. You click on the photo and it brings out all the pictures. Then you click this X, then you can also click the video and it will bring out all the videos. You can click the X again. If you're looking for a document, just click on the document and you can see you can also add the name of the document to be specific to what you're looking for. And if you're looking for a link, bam, look at it, all the links probably all the groups have ever posted. Not all the links exactly, but most of the links are all here. And as long as you have not reset your phone or erased the link or deleted it, it's going to be right here. So this is a great feature in WhatsApp and it makes it easy to search for items, pictures, videos, and link. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like. And let's do this again. Bye.